सभी को स्वागत किया है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से। और आज आप लोगों के साथ बात करेंगे स्टॉक मार्केट का लेटेस्ट न्यूज़ के बारे में और स्टॉक मार्केट हॉलीडे के बारे में। वाई NSE BSE आर क्लोज ऑन January 15। फुल डिटेल्स here. Stock market holiday in total stock market typically have around 50 trading holiday per year in addition to regular weekly closure on Saturday and Sunday. Trading on the Indian stock market will remain suspended today on January 15, 2026, according to the information available. Trading in the equity segment, the FX, commodity and electronics gold receipt would remain closed earlier. The National Stock Exchange had started that it would observe January 15 as a settlement holiday and trading would be opened usual, but it later issued a circular saying that it would be trading holiday in the capital market segment as voting for the Municipal Corporation Election in Maharashtra is scheduled on Thursday. The exchange hereby notified Thursday, January 15, 2026 as a trading holiday in the capital market CM segment on account of Municipal Corporation Election in Maharashtra. The NSE said the circular. Separately, BSE also announced that trading will remain closed on January 15 due to Municipal Corporation Election. In total, actions usually have around 15 trading holidays in a year, apart from regular weekly closure on Saturday and Sunday. Bank to remain closed on January 10. The Maharashtra government declared a public holiday for January 15 in Mumbai for civic polls. The holiday will apply to government and semi-government office, corporation, boards, public undertaking, bank and central government office within the jurisdiction of the civic bodies. Stock market holiday 2026 full list of important stock market typically have around 15 trading holidays per year in addition to regular weekly closure on Saturday and Sunday.